Hey, what's up guys? It's Mickey from Veteran Garage Door. Today we're doing some maintenance and tune-up, trim, weather seal, installing an 8500W opener for one of our customers. And one of his complaints were that every time he leaves to work in the morning and comes back in the evening, his door is very loud, his opener is very loud, and it wakes up his kids. And you know, I don't need to tell you, when the kids are waking up at 5 a.m., you know, it's an issue for most of us, right? So we have the perfect solution, and it's this silence kit. So in this silence kit, you're gonna have hinges with special washers over here, and you're gonna have those Z-bearing rollers, which are rated for 100,000 cycles, with the special covering over here. Now, this covering with a special hinge, it keeps everything quiet. I'm gonna go grab a regular hinge. That's what usually everyone have on the garage door, and let's see the difference. So I just grabbed the regular hinge. That's what we all have on our garage doors, and let's see what we got over here as far as noise. When the garage door goes up and down, imagine you have 20 of those on your garage door. It's gonna be very loud. Now let's take the silence kit hinge. No noise at all. Let's bend it a little bit. Here we go. Nothing. Now this roller again has the covering over here, so when the roller is inside the hinge, like over here, it doesn't make any sound when the garage door goes up and down. It keeps it super quiet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have my guys to install it, and let's see the difference between regular hinge kit and the silence kit.
Ready?
John, whenever you're ready, man. And let's open it. Super loud. We also took the opener out. We used to have this old Genie, which was very loud. And then they're gonna install the 8500W, which is right over there. That just tests the sound. That's pretty quiet.
Wow, so quiet.
That's good.
Can't even tell the door is opening and closing.